Humectants in aloe vera bind moisture to the skin. Using it as a moisturizer can help stimulate both collagen and elastin fibers, boosting the elasticity of your skin. This could mean fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E oil acts as a moisturizer to reduce and prevent dry skin. It reduces the flakiness, and the anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin E oil soothe irritated skin. This oil is often associated with the treatment of skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Today in this video, I will share how to make natural moisturizer for glass glowing skin at home. You will need 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Mix the ingredients and your natural moisturizer is ready in very simple way. So I will guide how to use it. Firstly, wash your face with your regular cleanser and apply moisturizer in it. After applying moisturizer, you will apply any night cream if you use daily and your night skincare is done. Vitamin E oil may have various benefits for the skin, especially in people with dry or itchy skin, psoriasis, and eczema. It may also help prevent wrinkles, heal wounds, and make scars less visible. Vitamin E is a group of fat-soluble vitamins with antioxidant effects. Aloe vera has been used for many years for various ailments, and is perhaps most popular for its soothing effects for sunburn. But aloe vera has many other potential benefits to the skin as well, including fading dark spots and stretch marks, managing acne, and slowing the signs of aging. You can use aloe vera and vitamin E capsules for skin whitening. When mixed with aloe vera gel, vitamin E can brighten your dull and tired skin. You have to take some aloe vera gel and drops of oil from a vitamin E capsule. Blend these and apply it to your face as a moisturizer. This moisturizer helps soothe sunburn, helps to moisturize the skin, boosts healing of wounds, fights skin aging, reduces infection and acne, lightens blemishes on the face.